A lot of photographers buy a wide angle lens and then they use it wrong. Not because they're bad photographers, but because nobody explained what wide angle lenses actually do. Most people think a wide angle lens is simply for fitting more into the frame, and that's technically that's true. But that's not why wide angle photos look interesting. So today on Shoot Happens, we're going to be talking about the biggest mistake people make with wide angle lenses. So here's the mistake. People buy a wide angle lens and then they stand far back away from everything. So what happens? Well, the subject becomes tiny. The scene feels empty and the photo has no impact. Now this happens all the time, especially with landscape photography, travel photography, and street photography. People think wider lens means stand back farther, but usually the opposite is true. So what do wide angle lenses actually do? Well, wide angle lens is about proximity. It's about getting close, and that's where the magic happens. Wide lenses exaggerate distance, depth, and perspective. So when you get close to your subject, the foreground object feels bigger, backgrounds feel farther away, and suddenly, okay, this is the magic right here. The image feels immersive, and that's why great wide angle photos, they pull you in. You feel like you're standing right there inside of the scene. So let's say you're photographing a truck. If you stand 30 feet away with a 16mm lens, that truck, well, it looks tiny and there's probably a whole lot of nothing around it. Now, move closer to the truck. Suddenly, well, the tires feel bigger, the stance feels wider, and the image feels a lot more dramatic with the same lens. Completely different photo. Landscape photography works the same way. Beginners, they often shoot mountains from far away, and the image feels flat, but then when you add in a little foreground, rocks, flowers, a trail, water, and suddenly the image has depth. Now let's talk about the distortion problem. This is the downside with all this here. Wide lenses distort perspective, and sometimes that distortion can look terrible, especially with people. Have you ever seen a portrait shot where someone's nose looks absolutely huge? That's usually because the photographer got too close with a wide angle lens, and that can tend to stretch faces, stretch arms, stretch bodies. So you need to understand when distortion helps and when it hurts. For landscape, it's usually pretty awesome. For environmental shots, great. For tight portraits, usually not ideal. So, friend, here is the big takeaway. A wide angle lens is not just about seeing more, it's about changing perspective. And that is the biggest mistake people make, is staying too far away. Get closer, fill the foreground, use depth, use perspective. That is when wide angle photography starts looking intentional. And honestly, some of the best wide angle photos you've ever seen were probably shot way closer than you realize. All right, friends, that's going to wrap up this Shoot Happens video. These bite-sized small little videos are designed to get the juices thinking. If you found some value with this video or any of the videos that you watch on this channel, one of the biggest things that you can do to reward us for these efforts for putting these videos together here is subscribe to the channel, like this video. That's going to help with the whole YouTube algorithm. And friends, by the way, if you have any questions whatsoever on this topic or topics you'd like us to cover, that's how these things come together. You guys reach out to us and let us know what you'd like to learn, and we put the videos together. Leave a comment down below. Reach out to us. Happy to help. With that said, I'm going to be shutting off the cameras, and I will see you in the next video.